Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing about the students' learning outcomes of primary level education. The main student learning outcomes, SLOs, of primary education in the USA encompass a multifaceted approach to holistic development. These outcomes focus on nurturing foundational skills, fostering critical thinking, and promoting social and emotional growth. Students are expected to achieve proficiency in core subjects such as language arts, mathematics, science, and social studies, building literacy, numeracy, and a comprehensive understanding of their surroundings. Furthermore, SLOs emphasize creativity, physical well-being, and self-expression through art, music, and physical education. Standardized testing measures academic progress and guides instruction tailored to individual needs. Cultural appreciation and understanding diverse perspectives are key components, cultivating global citizens. Effective communication, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities are fostered to ensure students are well-equipped for future education and civic engagement. Overall, the SLOs of primary education in the USA aim to develop well-rounded, capable individuals prepared for the challenges of a dynamic society.